Hello, everyone. Welcome to the state championship final match between Karnataka women and Tamil Nadu. These two teams played yesterday, and KA took that game. Will Tamil Nadu be able to crack the code here and win the final? We'll have to wait and find out. The Karnataka own line, you have Devati, Miti, Naina, Anna, Ananya, Swati, and ASR. Tamil Nadu. Karnataka will be starting on offense for the final. Tamil Nadu is still putting up their line to go on D for the first point. TN is ready to send the pull, to send it all the way to K. Take this final underway. There we go. It's a nice pull on the sideline. Ananya calls for a break. Ananya and Anna at the moment forming that handler core for Karnataka. Will TN be able to stop that lightning quick offense that K have been showing this whole tournament? Swati just gets it. Anna swings it back out to Swati. So, travel call. It's back with Swati. She looks up. She's looking for some options. Here's Anna again with the disc. Fakes the hammer. Always love a good fake. Oh, straight through. Miti has a disc now. Huge yardage for KA. Back with Naina. KA are being patient. They're not taking shots that they don't need to take. Anna takes her time, puts a lovely blade around, again straight through. Huge yardage again. Swati airs it out for Devati. Is she going to get there? And that's just gone out. The TN sideline absolutely goes crazy. That's a break opportunity off the first point. It's massive for morale. Let's see if TN can convert this break. Bhavya walking up with the disc. Starting from that cone. She looks around. Oh, lovely low swing and not just out of the reach. KA get it back. Can they convert this time? Ananya on the disc, right at the front cone. She's looking around. Takes a safe reset back to Anna. Swati streaks through. 1-0 Karnataka. They make it work the second time round. So, Tamil Nadu now on their first offensive point. There must be a huge boost for morale as they almost could have converted a break chance there. KA pull. Monica picks up. Sidelines are absolutely loud, letting their team know that they're here for them. Back to Shruti in the center. Tamil Nadu taking their time as well, not rushing anything. They know how important holds are in a final. We're going almost sideline to sideline now, just swinging it, keeping the disc. Here's Bhavya with the disc. Through the center, and that is out of reach. Karnataka now with a chance to break. Anna picks up. Takes her time, resets. This is some good recovery defense by Tamil Nadu. They're not making it too easy for KA to convert a break. Pooja takes the shot. It goes deep. Oh! Bhavya just gets there. Bhavya rushes up to the line. And there is a call. The play is being stopped. It is an injury sub here for TN. So 2 break chances so far from both sides. No conversions there. But this is looking like a good final. Tamil Nadu get back to swinging it around. Taking their time. On the sideline. Very close to their goal line. But they make it work. This is good defense by Karnataka. Not making anything easy, making TN think twice. Work hard for those passes through. Disc is back with Shruti at the center. Her, Monica and Bhavya have been playing a lot of handler movement here. Again, the zone making it very tough for that pass, and there is an injury on field. The game stops. The game continues, gets back underway. TN back to their patient game yet again. Bhavya finds a way through back on the sideline. They get some yardage. Now they're moving. Now they're moving easily. Lovely movement by TN now. Now they go back to the handlers. Oh. Bhavya looks for it, stops, goes back to Shruti, Monica. KA giving it everything. What a D! Run through D right there. KA with another break chance. Sneha Patil. She's there, but nobody's ahead. She waits for her team to catch up. And now Anna goes up the line. Anna, easy grab. She looks. She stops. She takes her time. Here's Ashmita. They're almost there now with the conversion of this break point. So Tamil Nadu now really 2-0 down. They have to get back on their game. The coach is taking some time, huddle the players around, and now they're going back to the line to bring the fight back to Karnataka. Tamil Nadu get the pull down. They're moving around again. KA back to put that suffocating pressure that they had in the previous point. Will TN move it? Good grab there. Monica swings it out. Shruti gets it. She's taking her time, looking at her options. Goes out wide. And that's a hug. That's a full send right there. Oh, big collision. No one comes up with a disc, but that was a full send from TN and KA on defense too. Quick shout out to Usha Play as the disc partner here. Sporthood for the venue partner. They've been super accommodative to get us on these lovely
big
toasties.
collision.
These nice.
No one comes up with a disc, but that was a full.
The RCB game got washed out yesterday, but India Ultimate goes on. We always find a way. Atra Sports as a science partner. And Suel Ultimate for the streaming, the production. The streams have been top class. Love it. And the game started, but we're back on a stop, on a call. Anna gets it back here after that turn by Tamil Nadu. Here Sneha, she looks up, winds up but fakes it, doesn't take that shot. What a cut by Anna. Quick movement. This is where KR is so good. They move it so fast. Once they get that space. Oh, that is a foul call. Players talking it out. So the Karnataka team here with a chance to get their second break, go 3-0 up. TN fighting to get that disc back and get their first point on the board. Discussion still going on between the players on this call. The disc was in the air. Both of them had a bit at it. And it is contested. This goes back. But you see it there, Karnataka, how quick they move it. Once they get that little bit of space, they're gone. They're just moving it. 1, 2, 3, and suddenly they're almost, halfway through the field. Then they end up near the end zone, and it's just a score. Oh, big bid. Almost gets it. Sneha here. Another call brings it back. Sammy there with a massive bid. Anna just clings on, but that is the kind of energy and the force that TN need to be taking to Karnataka at this time. Players are resetting, getting ready to bring the disc back into play. Anna fakes it, hits Swathi again, huge bid again. Tamil Nadu are giving everything on this defense, not making it easy at all. Huge hustle, here's Shal. Tight mark on her. Oh, Anna, lovely blade out to Swathi. Swathi looks up. Anna always free for that put, and she sends it to Shal. Will she get it just a bit too much? Tamil Nadu's sideline goes crazy, explodes. They get that disc back. They put the pressure on for that for sure. They did not make it easy for Karnataka to go through as easily as they normally do. Tamil Nadu now with a chance to get their first point on the board. Sneha on the mark. That's a nice pass to Sammy. Sammy has it near the sideline. Anna with a tight mark, moving about, not making it easy. And Monica just gets there, holds on to that disc, keeps it alive for Tamil Nadu. And another call on this point. This has been a long point. This has had a couple of turns. Disc is back in play. Again it goes out. And that's a drop from Shruti. And a call. Nope, retracted. Nope. Stall out. It seems to be a stall out call by Sri Lakshmi on Deepika. Players talking it out. Frisbee, self-refereed sport, all about spirit. A lot of conversations, a lot of good sportsmanship. Let's see what the outcome of this call here is. Will be a tough blow for TN if this is a stall out. Karnataka pretty close to the Tamil Nadu end zone now, with the risk of going 4 up. And the turn stands. Anna slowly walks up to the disc. They're at the front door almost. They are still talking about the call. And it's all good now. Huge caliber for the big plays, big moments. So here we go then, Tamil Nadu line up. They know how big this is for them. Pooja looking to pull here for Karnataka. It's a nice pull by Pooja, lands up towards the center of the field. Shruti, Monica and Bhavya gonna go back to their handling core. They move it around, they look comfortable with themselves, but can Tamil Nadu move it up the field? Again, you see Karnataka with that cup that has been working for them. It's not allowed Tamil Nadu to make those big plays that they're actually capable of doing. Back to Shruti here. Shruti swings it out to Bhavya. Bhavya goes to the center. Sneha plucks it out of the air. She was there. She saw that coming. She gets there. Now Karnataka again with the disc back. Pooja taking her time, letting the team reset, get back into offensive position on the sideline now. Sneha is there for the dump. One-handed snag makes it look class. Swings it out here for Swathi. And there is a call again on the field. The disc is back in now with Sneha. Swati gets it now. Sneha gives her the upline and Swati says no. Easy in for Sahana there. Oh, full pressure. So much pressure from TN. They really want it back. They're fighting for it again. And another call. But it's great to see the TN players, even after a turnover, giving it all to get it back. Putting their bodies on the line, laying out, stretching out for every bit they can make. Sneha gets it back here. Karnataka inching closer to another break, but taking their time, not pushing it. Swati gets it on the sideline now. Good patience by Karnataka again. Pooja takes the time. Gets it to Swati. This is good defense by TN. But Sneha gets it there. One-handed grab again. How many times does she do that? Makes it look easy every single time. And Karnataka with a good lead now. Yep. Sorry, correction there. It is 4-0 to Tamil Nadu, not 5-0. My apologies.
Score is 4-0 to Karnataka. Shrikesh here joined you guys again. Box is instructing them to play a little bit more fearless. I think Tamil Nadu is getting stuck in the middle without being able to generate cuts. Playing a little too handler strong right now. Sammy with the disc resets it to Soumya. You can see Tamil Nadu still playing backwards, losing yardage a little. And there is the hug from Shruti. Good catch from Shivani there. Shivani calls a foul on Swati. Call's been retracted by Shivani. Sammy is there. Sammy hits Roshni. Roshni looking to reset. Monica comes up. And that's not a score. That's a score. Simi hands it to Roshni and the score. Tamil Nadu get on the board. 4-1 to Karnataka. The fearless ultimate there, Shruti with the huck there, a good catch from Shivani, and then they closed out in the end zone. Not a score. That's a score. Simi hands it to Roshni and the score. Tamil Nadu get on the board.
So Tamil Nadu pull after getting their first point on the board. Ananya goes back to Anna in the center for a handler set that's worked very well. It's back in the center towards Mithi. Yeah. Yeah, is it a mute or anything, sir? Just okay, I can just keep talking. Mithi has a disc here. Karnataka inching back towards another score. Gets it out to Ananya. Ananya airs it out. That might just be too much, and it is. Anna can't get there in time. The disc floats out, and now Tamil Nadu have the disc back with more energy. Gets it out to Ananya. Ananya airs it out. That might just be too much, and it is.
Yeah. Bhavya taking up the disc from the sideline. TN setting up in a diagonal stack with Deepika on the disc right now. Simi is looking for the reset. Hands it to front to Sami. Sami is looking for a good cut by Sagarika to get the disc. Sagarika hands it to Sami again. Sami is looking up, but no, Shirley gave an outcut there. Simi hands it to Deepika. Deepika to Shirley. Shirley looking upfield. No. Kavya seems to be free in the middle. They center the disc here. Deepika hands it. What a catch there from Sami. Sami has been laying out non-stop this tournament. Kavya seems to be free in the
It's
middle.
a massive layout from Sami to keep it alive there for TN on this break chance. There is a call though.
They center the disc here. Deepika hands it. What a catch. They're figuring it out if the call happened before Sami got the disc or before the throw. Turns out it was after.
Sami looking around, cheeky inside to Bhavya. Oh, that's too much. Karnataka just get it back there. Tamil Nadu are looking good going up the field for the first time. They've really moved it quick and fast. Anna now out to Mithi. She takes her time, no mark on her. Sneaky one.
What a
What
great
a layout.
Great layout from Aranya there.
Quick to Ananya after keeping it alive on that huge layout
Anna
bid.
now.
Out to Mithi. She takes her time, no mark on her.
Oh, another
one.
huge layout to keep it alive by Naina. Oh, and then she toughs it.
After a massive play, Tamil Nadu get it back.
Beautiful put there by Smriti. And that's a break. That's a break for TN. And the celebration.
Tamil Nadu get that break finally on a beautiful put. Buttery biscuit right there for the receiver. Play 4-2. Tamil Nadu get it back.
Beautiful put there by Smriti. Moving the disc fast. And that's a break.
Getting Tamil Nadu the
That's a
rewards
break
there.
for TN. They'll want to continue this through the game.
Karnataka now getting ready to go back on offense. Tamil Nadu got that break. It's 4-2 now to Karnataka. But Tamil Nadu look like they have the energy back on their side. The momentum coming back slowly. Shruti's about to pull. She sends it. Picked up here by Anna. Back to Ananya. Anna now again. She's looking for options. She fakes it out.
Tamil Nadu looks like they're playing an arrow or a surround.
The two handlers for KA have been able to pass it around to each other pretty easily, but nothing. Oh, over the top from Anna to Swati. They get a little yardage there from that. Oh, Sammy again. Huge bait. She doesn't give up on those. It's back to Anna. Karnataka now having to work a little bit harder. Take the little bit harder throws.
Someone's left free there. Devati is left free there. I think there's a call. A big call. Shruti catching up.
This is back in play. Anna has it again. That's out to Devati, but Asa gets there. Can she hit Devati? And that's out again. Karnataka having the disc fade out.
Can they get another break here?
Another break chance now. Can they convert again? So on the sideline. Shruti has it now. She's looking for her options. She takes her time. The disc hits the ground. This final is beginning to spice up a little bit. Ananya with a bladey one. And now the sisters have it. And Anna spreads it out. That's beautiful. Ananya with a bladey one. And now the sisters have it. And Anna spreads it out. Sideline now. Feeling they can feel another break coming. It's getting loud.
Dika bringing the disc up to the end zone. Tamil Nadu have set up in a vertical stack. Roshni with the disc. Is it to Shivani? Good cut there by Shruti to get the disc. Soumya is cut out, but I don't think the disc will go to her. Shruti drops the disc. Is there a call on that? Soumya is cut out, but I don't
Strip
think
call.
the disc will go to her. Call's been retracted. Shruti drops the disc.
KA now. They get the disc back close to the end zone. Almost there. Anna, sorry. Lovely flip over the top to Swati. Just floated up there, perfect. Karnataka hold on, but that wasn't as easy as it's been for the first couple of points of this Almost there. Anna, sorry. Lovely flip over the top to Swati. Almost there. Anna, sorry. Lovely flip over the... Things are looking up for Tamil Nadu now. They have gotten on the board. They're playing with a lot more determination. They really believe it now. Can they capitalize on that swing in energy? Can they make it work on the field, get more breaks? It's a hard team to break down, Karnataka, when they're in full flow.
Looks like they've called a timeout. Teams get one timeout per half of 90 seconds.
Nice to meet you, bro. I've never seen the face of the voice. Tamil Nadu ready with on the to play the O point with Shirley, Bhavya, Pooja, Sagarika, Smriti, Monica, and Deepika on the line. Karnataka have Sneha, Amiti, Anna, Swati, Naina, Pooja getting ready to pull that disc. And the pull is up. Monica and Deepika here at the handler call. Low grab. A lovely spaced out pass. Oh, and a missed throw there.
She was just waited for an extra second before hitting that to Pooja, and I think
Monica and
bit of
Deepika here
double-mind there from
at the
Smriti
handler
and
call. Low grab.
caused the missed throw.
A lovely spaced out pass. Oh,
Now KA pick up the disc
and a
with
missed
Anna
throw
here.
there. Hits that to Sneha. Sneha looks up. Sneha sends it. Pooja under it. Will she come down? What a put on the dime. What a pass that is.
And about 2 passes, Karnataka on the doorstep, and that is a break. Swati scores.
Yet another break for Karnataka.
Put on the dime. What a pass that is. And about 2 passes, Karnataka on the doorstep, and that is a break. Swati scores.
So that was maybe a 3-pass possession for the break there from Karnataka. Sneha sending a lovely put there, hitting Pooja right in her stride, and then Pooja finishes with Swati.
Is it half?
Maybe, I think. What is half? 6?
I think game to 15 now. 13. No, they changed. Yeah, they took full game again. But they must be by time only. It's like half. Yeah. Bro, half time add put. with one change. Sneha is playing instead of Shivani or Shirley. It is still a hander heavy line that Box is playing. They have got 4 handlers, primary handlers on the line.
Pooja with the pull here. Gets Tamil Nadu going on offense, second half. Tamil Nadu have had a good time passing it around the back with the handlers, but it's when it comes to making that incisive pass forward that KA have shut them down for this match. And there we see it again. Monica goes for that scuba over the top, but Anna swats it down. Sneha here just keeps it alive. Karnataka looking at another break.
Yeah.
They do.
That's another break. 7-2 to Karnataka. Karnataka is playing really good. Great precise throws. Very similar to the game yesterday.
Sneha here just keeps it alive. Karnataka looking at another break.
Yeah.
They do.
That's another break. 7-2 to Karnataka. Karnataka is playing really good.
So again there, Tamil Nadu trying to find a way forward. Comfortable passing it on the back. Monica taking that risky scuba there to force something. KA shut it down. It is 7-2 to Karnataka right now as Tamil Nadu line up with their O-line. On defense for Karnataka, we have Anna. Swati looking to pull, sorry. Tamil Nadu is still getting instructions from their coach, telling them exactly what to do to move forward, smoother, maybe get another score down on the board. Swati sends the pull here. Goes a long way towards the sideline. It's back to Deepika in the middle. Bhavya is there for her for a reset. Bhavya fakes it. Karnataka pushing them back a little bit here. It's a good pass down the center. Oh, and just kept up. Deepika gets it back. She's going every other disc now. Now onto the sideline. Oh, they have some movement here. They're going ahead a little bit. They found a little bit of space there between the zone that KA is throwing up. And now again, they go back to patience.
And Tamil Nadu pushed 2 players behind with Sammy and there goes it is to... Oh, great deep from Pooja.
Pooja runs through it, keeps running. Sneha sends it up. Will this stay in? 2 people under it. Oh! Almost. Pooja does not give up on that. Oh, but TN give it straight back to Karnataka.
A little too hurried on the pass to get the 1-2 going and maybe gain some yardage before the defense had time to set. Tamil Nadu has been struggling against the Karnataka zone.
Swati now out to Sneha on the in cut near the sideline. They're taking their time. They're hitting the hits that they need to. Not rushing anything yet. TN putting up a good pressure here. Oh, and Swati has to go down to keep it alive.
We've seen some great saves from both teams today.
It's out to the side and Sammy again almost gets there. Finger, just a length of a finger away from getting that bit. She's been throwing herself all around the field today.
Yet another break for Karnataka. It's 8-2.
It's out to the side, and
Oh.
Sammy again almost gets there. Finger, just a length of a finger away from getting that bit. She's been throwing herself. It's out to the side, and
Oh.
Sammy again almost gets there. Finger, just a length of a finger away from getting that bit. She's been throwing herself.
The O-line being switched up a little with Tara coming in for Shruti and Dika also coming in.
We see some fresh faces on the KA defense line too. We see Shirl in again. Sri Lakshmi is back in. Pooja getting ready to pick up that pull.
A lot of defense has been generated by Karnataka, primarily due to the pulls. The pulls have been great, deep, floaty, and Tamil Nadu gets stuck, I think, at the quarter half of the next to the end zone, and it's been a long wait for them to get yardage coming up the field.
Yeah, great hustle by the KA zone actually to be there by the first pass, set up that cup. Pooja sends the pull. KA hustle down. Tamil Nadu hustle up.
Looks like they're playing person.
Oh, and that's a turn. First pass. Is that the pressure? What? It was easy, and now Karnataka have it again. It's here with Naina. Taking their time. Sneha again. She's been all over the field today. Exactly where she needs to be to get KA ahead and get them in the points. She's looking for options and she sends one over. Cheeky. And that's a score. KA take it.
Great safe take from Naina there with that pull from Sneha.
She's looking for options
Now
and she
down
sends one
9-2.
over. Cheeky.
See the
And that's a
shoulders dropping
score.
a little.
KA take it. She's looking for options. Score is 9-2 to Karnataka now. This is a game to 15, unlike yesterday's games, which were to 13. But we have a full game on our hands here.
Another timeout called by TN.
ஸ்கோர் அப்டேட் பண்ண சொல்லிட்டீங்களே
So Karnataka now getting ready to pull another defensive point. They played a lot of those today. Tian getting instructions from the coach. What can they change? What can they do? Pooja again with the pull for Karnataka.
Yet another good pull from Pooja. And here's that zone that Tamil Nadu struggled against the whole game.
Tamil Nadu moving it around the handlers as they've done for a lot of this game. But what they're really looking for is that forward momentum, forward movement. They seem to be comfortable taking their time here, not looking too flustered by the zone. Monica fakes that one. Oh, lovely. Deepika gets it in the center. They need way more of that if they can keep generating those. Sagarika on the sideline here. Thinks about it with Deepika, but just holsters that. Really valuing the disc here on this point, Tamil Nadu. Sammy joins in. Shruti taking her time, telling her cutters where to be. This is very patient from Tamil Nadu. And a blade he put. And Anna gets it up, and Sneha.
Sneha will look to put it now to the end zone. No.
Sneha airs it out for Anna. Anna just gets there. Contact between Deepika and Anna.
Put it now to the end zone. No.
Sneha airs it out for Anna. Anna just gets there. Contact between Deepika and Anna.
Put it now to the end zone.
For the disc there.
No, from
Sneha
Deepika.
airs it out for Anna.
seems to be
Anna
okay
just
now.
gets there. Contact between Deepika and Anna. Yeah, nothing too serious, thankfully, for either player. Both of them went down. But Anna still got the disc, so Karnataka keep it. Or there is a call here. Shruti calling for an out call on Anna on that grab to keep it in.
That looked like it was in from the replays that we could see. Calls contested by Anna. The disc goes back to Sneha.
Back with Sneha here, near the sideline. Can expect a tight mark, a big mark here. Sneha centers it. Anna takes the time, airs it out for Ashmita. Oh, Pooja just gets there. Good bid coming in from the TN player. And Sneha sends it. Sahana gets it. Karnataka get another one.
It's a call
There
on
is.
field again. Sneha has been amazing this game. I think she's been pivotal with all her throws.
For Ashmita. Oh, Pooja just gets there. Good bid coming in from the TN player. And Sneha sends it. Sahana gets it. Karnataka get another one.
It's a call
There
on
is out for Ashmita. So pick call there. This goes back to Sneha. K still have it on the doorstep. can expect to see another pivot from Sneha. No, she passes to Anna. No mark on her at the moment, taking her time, letting K reset. And that's a score. It is 10-2. Karnataka take another one.
Less than 7 minutes to go to the game. It's been quite easy for Karnataka
Letting
here.
K reset. And that's a score. It is 10-2. Karnataka take another one.
Less than 7 minutes.
Letting K.
Swati with the disc ready, getting ready to pull.
Swati here, about to pull for Karnataka.
Pull lands right at the brick mark.
Disc is live now.
Kavya with the disc. Hands it to Smriti and yet another turnover there.
Swati now walking up slowly to pick up the disc and go the other way. Letting her team set up. Here's Sneha.
Immediately looking upfield.
Low one to Shirl, who just grabs it, gets on her knees to keep it alive. Shirl sends it back to Sneha, just snags it with a one-handed grab. This Karnataka team playing with confidence. They're making throws and taking throws. And they believe in their team to come down with it. And Shirl now sends it, another score. 11-12 to Karnataka. 11-2 to Karnataka now.
Clinical.
And they believe in their team to come down with it. And Shirl now sends it, another score. 11-12 to Karnataka.
Less than 2 minutes to go.
So Karnataka now ready to pull once more, getting closer and closer to that gold. It has been a long time coming for a lot of players on this KA team. State championship after state championship, and now finally they are almost at that finish line, almost ready to get that medal. A couple of points in between, but they're just about there. The pull is up. Here comes Tamil Nadu.
It's a foul call, I think, accepted immediately.
Shoal on the mark here. She starts. Oh, and that's gone straight up. This is a lot of bodies under that disc, and it just blades out of everyone's path. Now KA can start again all the way from their end zone. Ghana with the disc. Here's Sri Lakshmi moving it down the sideline. Huge spread out to Shawl.
What a grab.
Massive grab there. Kept her eyes on the prize. Came down with it. Stuck on the sideline a little bit, but a reset comes in. Abby now. Ghana takes her time, finds Sri Lakshmi. Karnataka players just getting warmed up. And that's a hand block.
Tamil Nadu would want to do a quick start here before they get bogged down by KA's defense, but they have taken the time again. You can see the Karnataka defense setting up completely near the end of the side.
TN player there with a long time. And no stall count, but yet the disc goes to Karnataka. Ghana here, no marks, just gets a mark now. Karnataka taking time to reset back into position. And Ghana just... Can Tamil Nadu convert here? Samya taking her time, letting her team catch up, set up, make the right cuts at the right time. On the goal line, on the front cone here. Huge bit from Shawl, just falls over. Samya at the front cone, open cut.
And TN managed to score. Score is, I think, 11-3 to Karnataka.
Samya at the front cone, open cut.
And TN managed to score.
So the score is 11-3 to Karnataka. It has been a pretty one-sided game. Karnataka's defense too suffocating and their offense too quick. Tamil Nadu lineup now to start on O. Apologies, sorry. Karnataka lineup to start on O.
Pull goes out. Looks like Anya's called a brick.
Ananya walks up here to the brick mark to get the game going, get the point going. She has Anna with her. This has been a very reliable handler set for Karnataka throughout the tournament.
Looks like we passed the soft cap, and game will be to 12. 1 more minute soft cap. 0 already.
A call here.
Okay. Then there'll be soft cap after this point.
Seems to be a call for contact between the two players. Just talking it out, but Karnataka must almost feel those medals around their necks at this point. We're almost there.
You should say, I wonder if Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh and Delhi had turned up if they would have been good enough for this Karnataka team. I'll say the same thing during the Opens.
Miti with the disc here. Oh, what a grab by Naina. Lightning hands. Sends it to her sister Anna. Maybe the two sisters can finish the points themselves if they wanted to. But they take their time. Another call here. Seems to be a Wyo. Anna has it back now. Karnataka almost there into the end zone. Anna, cheeky flip over the top to Naina.
And she grabs it. It's a
And
score.
that's it.
The sisters are killing it.
Almost there into the end zone. Anna, cheeky flip over the top to Naina.
And she grabs it. It's a
And
score.
that's it.
The sisters are killing it.
Almost there in.
+1.
Yes, please.
Karnataka pulls. The score is 12-3. This is a game 2-13. Soumya with the disc in the middle. Karnataka will want to get this D and finish this final off in style. The zone is back. Tamil Nadu again having to swing it around here. Goes back to the sideline to Soumya. And a huge bladey swing. Anna's under it. But Tamil Nadu come down with that. Great grab by the TN player to keep it alive for them. Oh, what a bit!
That-
Huge layout from Anna to get that D for Karnataka. And she sends it
That's a
to Sneha.
Yeah.
For a win.
Karnataka
For a
wins
win.
it.
Karnataka win gold in the women's division here at the state championship. And they
That's a
to
deserved
Sneha
100%.
Yeah.
for a win.
Karnataka
Wins
wins it.
their skin in this final. Anna with a huge layout D and a
Wins it.
big bladey put to Sneha to close it out.
That's the first state championship for Karnataka. The first women's division being played in Bharat Trophy has been won by Karnataka. The clinical win, they haven't dropped a single game through the tournament.
Karnataka women absolutely loving life right now. Huge hugs everywhere. This has been a long time coming for a lot of players here, as I said